This is the most fun group to travel with.
It's a great opportunity to be able to travel with all of the different people here because everyone brings their own creativity to it, and you can be like, yeah, I love this thing, even if it's like something completely out of the box from like what you might like to do. You can see the beauty and the artistry in it, and I think that's really inspiring and like gives me ideas to work on and to grow towards.
You have those vivid kind of ideas in your head, and then when you actually see it come to life, it's like out of this world. You feel energized and like ready to do it again, you know?
I had no idea I can do this ever, like scuba diving, taking photos at the bottom of the ocean, until I start traveling with the Submerge team. They make it easy, comfortable, fun, and seeing the results just makes you want to keep doing it more and more and more and more trips.
The moment that I get to see the images and the moment that I get to see people's response to what they look like, there's a huge sense of pride.
I am very proud of myself. Every time I have an idea or a dream of what a photo could look like, it just seems like the Submerge team can just find a way to make it come true. Everyone's got a part they play and play it so well that the result just ends up being amazing. I actually write in a journal every night, and I think 2 nights ago I was just like, this is the best thing that I get to do this and just feel like I'm on vacation with friends. I've just had the most incredible time in Bali, and I cannot wait for Maldives.
We become family. You look forward to it. You're like, what's the next trip? You know, and you're thinking in your mind, what can I do to make sure I make it to the next trip?
I did this on a whim 2 to 3 years ago, and I keep coming back, and it's always for a specific reason. I get what I pay for, and it's honestly the best time in my life.